How to turn off the passcode on your iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off the passcode on your iPhone. Keep in mind that disabling your passcode makes your device less secure. Anyone who gets access to your iPhone will be able to unlock it without entering a passcode or using Face ID, so only continue if you're sure. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. If you don't see this option, go to Screen Time, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled, turn it off. After that, return to Settings, and you should now see Face ID and Passcode. Tap Face ID and Passcode, then enter your current passcode when prompted. If Stolen Device Protection is enabled, scroll down and tap it. Turn this feature off first, as it can prevent you from removing your passcode. You may be asked to confirm your identity. Next, go back to the previous screen and tap Reset Face ID to remove your saved Face ID data. Now scroll down and tap Turn Passcode Off. Your iPhone will warn you that turning off the passcode also disables certain security features, including Apple Pay protection and hidden apps. If you're sure, tap Turn Off. Finally, enter your Apple account password to verify your identity. You may also be asked to enter your current iPhone passcode one last time. Once verified, the passcode will be completely removed from your iPhone. That's it. Your iPhone will no longer require a passcode to unlock. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions.